Welcome back to the channel. The Electric Tricycle Camper of 2025 represents a bold step into the future of compact, sustainable and versatile travel. Unlike conventional campers that rely on large vehicles, tow hitches, or additional brackets to carry extra living modules, this design integrates the camper unit directly onto the tricycle's body. It eliminates the complexity of towing and creates a lightweight, maneuverable solution that combines personal mobility with the essential comforts of a micro-home. Built for adventurers, urban nomads, and eco-conscious travelers, the Electric Tricycle Camper delivers freedom in a form that is efficient, affordable, and environmentally responsible. At the heart of the 2025 Tricycle Camper is its electric drivetrain, powered by mid-sized battery packs that typically range from 8 to 15 kW to 20 kW. While smaller than the systems found in full-size electric trucks or vans, these batteries are sufficient for daily travel needs, offering ranges of 100 to 200 kilometers per charge depending on terrain and load. The tricycle's low weight and aerodynamic camper structure ensure energy efficiency, making it ideal for city commuting as well as short to medium recreational trips. Charging can be accomplished at standard outlets or through portable solar panels integrated on the camper roof, giving users the freedom to recharge off-grid. The camper module itself is compact yet surprisingly functional. Designers maximize every centimeter of space, with features such as a foldable sleeping area that accommodates 1 or 2 people, small storage compartments for personal belongings, and a compact cooking setup powered by battery or solar. Some advanced models even include micro-refrigeration units and portable sinks with recycled water systems, reflecting the growing emphasis on sustainable resource use. While it cannot match the size of full camper vans, the Tricycle Camper focuses on efficiency, minimalism, and adaptability, appealing to those who value simplicity and freedom over excess. Mobility is where the Electric Tricycle Camper truly shines. Without the need for towing brackets or hitches, it moves as a single unified unit. The tricycle design, with either 2 wheels at the back or front, provides balance and stability while maintaining the agility of a smaller vehicle. Its narrow frame makes it easy to navigate crowded streets, narrow alleys, or rural trails that larger campers would struggle with. For urban dwellers, it can even be parked in standard motorcycle or compact spaces, removing the parking challenges that traditional RVs often create. Comfort and safety are carefully addressed in its design. Enclosed cabins protect riders from weather,